Be, was, were. I was tired last night. We were late for work. Become, became. She became a doctor. Begin, began. They began the project on Monday. Break, broke. I broke the car. Bring, brought. She brought her laptop to work. Build, built. They built a new house. Buy, bought. I bought a new phone. Choose, chose. He chose to stay home. Come, came. She came to the meeting. Do, did. I did my homework. Drink, drank. He drank a glass of water. Drive, drove. She drove to the office. Eat, ate. They ate dinner at 6. Fall, fell. He fell off the bike. Feel, felt. I felt tired but happy. Find, found. She found her keys. Fly, flew. He flew to Paris. Forget, forgot. I forgot her name. Get, got. She got a promotion. Give, gave. He gave me his phone number. Go, went. I went to the cinema yesterday. Have, had. I had breakfast at 8. No, knew. He knew the answer. Leave, left. She left early in the morning. Make, made. They made a cake for me. Meet, met. I met her at the birthday party. Read, read. I read that book. Run, ran. She ran 5 kilometers. Say, said. He said hello. See, saw. I saw that movie. Sit, sat. She sat on the bench. Speak, spoke. He spoke English with a new client. Take, took. She took my keys. Teach, taught. He taught English at school. Tell, told. I told you the truth. Think, thought. She thought about your idea. Write, wrote. He wrote an email to his boss.